Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this amazing rolling cooler cart that we got gifted by Best Choice Products. In this video, I am going to give you my honest review, what I like the most about it, and one thing that I think you should know before buying. And if you are interested in buying this product, we have an affiliate link from Lavanta. It's gonna be in the description. You can check it out. So the first thing I'd like to mention about this product is how easy it was to put this together. I put it together myself, didn't need any help. I think it took me maybe 20 minutes, maybe a little bit less. It wasn't long at all. All the parts came perfect. The instructions were very easy, and well, including, this is another thing that I really like about this cooler. This is a lot bigger than it looked in pictures and what I was imagining, which is great. This is gonna fit so many drinks. This is an 80 quart capacity cooler, so it's big. This can fit up to 70 cans and up to 50 bottles, which is a lot, especially if you're hosting a party outside, which was our idea with this cooler. And another thing I really like about this cart is how they have this storage unit at the bottom. This is so helpful, especially if you're having a party and you need a place to store drinks or anything. You can put anything in here. This is great. The wheels, the back wheels also lock, so you can lock it right here so it doesn't move around. You also have this box right here at the side for more storage. You can place your ice scoop or any utensils you need, and you have a bottle opener. This cart is very easy, as you can see, to move around. The wheels are super smooth. Right now you can see I am in my backyard and we have pavers, and yeah, I have no problem moving this little guy. Right here at the side you have this, which is the drainage hole for when you're done, and it comes with this little chain right here so you don't lose the cap. And now let me show you the inside. So you can remove the top if you wanted to very easily. You can remove it and leave it open, or you can just open one side or the other side. Again, the quality of this cooler cart is amazing. Everything is so well made, and you can feel it just in the weight of it. We absolutely love this. This is gonna be something that we're gonna be using a lot this summer. We love hosting in our house, and yeah, this has a lot of space. We had an old cooler that we're probably just gonna throw away and use this one. Love it. Highly recommend this.